Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product here in my hand, if you can see. Basically what this is wireless earbuds, but what's different about this one versus other earbuds I've tested in the past is the fact that this one actually has active noise cancellation on it. So first thing first, let's actually open up the product and show you guys what it actually looks like and what comes out the package first. So when you guys first open it up, this is where you guys get inside. So they provide you guys the little user manual and everything in here. And then you guys can see the actual product itself right there. And then right underneath that, we have everything else here. So they provide you guys the cable right here. Let's take it out and see what kind of cable it is. So the cable that they provide you guys is a USB to USB-C, if you guys can see right there. So for the other box that they have in the packaging itself, you guys can see that they provide you guys all these extra ear tips that you can use to replace it if the one that's already on the earbud itself does not fit you. So they're small, medium, and large. So that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself. Let me show you guys what's in here real quick. So they provide you guys a little warranty card here. And then they provide you guys two quick starter guides right here and the user manual right here. Now let's take a look at the product itself right here. So you guys can see how tiny the product is. It's very, very small. And if you guys take a look right here, they have a USB-C output. So you can plug in the cable right here to charge it up. And then we turn it on the other side right here. There's a little indicator light right here to show you guys when the product is off or on. And then basically how you guys open this product is just by turning like this. And it opens up the product inside there. So there's a button right here to click it to activate and charge the product. So when you guys press this button right here, you can see the indicator light right there. So for these earbuds, the moment you guys take it out from the actual case itself, that's how you guys turn off and on the product. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let's take it out and put it on and see what it looks like and how it performs. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like right here. So let's take off the little protective layer right here first, because if you guys don't take that part off, then it will not be able to charge the product for the wireless earbuds. And if you guys look really carefully on the earbuds, actually labels R and L, so that way you guys know which side is right and left. And then right there is a charging slot where you plug it into the actual case itself to charge it. So once you guys remove the protective layer right here, all you guys need to do is close it back up like this. And then once you guys open it back up, you guys can see that it's charging, and that's how you guys turn it off and on. So now let's put it on and see what it actually feels like and how it performs. Alright, so once we put it on, there definitely is like a little noise cancellation technology already. But let's try out the active noise cancellation and see how that works. So the way how you guys turn off and on the active noise cancellation on here is by holding it down for 2 seconds. Alright, so once we've turned on the ANC, it definitely hears like the active noise cancellation a little bit. It's not like a really strong ANC to the point where almost like Bose and like Sony's kind of ANC, but it's about the same. But it's about the same kind of like level of ANC as like the other headphones that they have as well. So once you guys are done using ANC, you just hold it down for 2 seconds. And it turns off. And it's actually really interesting of how it tells you guys when it's off and on, because there's like someone that tells you guys ANC is on, ANC is on, or ANC is off, ANC is off. They say it twice so that way you guys know that it's off or on. But let's pair it onto the device now and see how it works in terms of the audio and the bass. Alright, so after testing the audio and the bass on here, I would have to say that the audio is good, but the bass is not that strong to the point where at least I like the bass. This one's very low in the bass, so you get a lot more like the vocals, and like the audio in general is much louder than the bass. So in terms of the touch controls on here, it's just not too much. So the way how you guys play and pause the music is just double tapping on either side, just like this. So 1, 2. So the button does work, but there is a slight little delay on it. And if you guys want to answer or end a call, you just want to double tap it. So once you guys want to answer the call, double tap it to answer. And once you guys are done, then you guys can double tap it to close it. And if you guys wanted to reject a call, then you guys want to long press it for around 2 seconds or so, similar to the ANC button, but you only use this 2-second hold when you guys actually get the call. If you guys don't get any call and you guys hold it for 2 seconds, it'll only activate or turn off the ANC if you guys don't have a call coming in. And then you want to activate any voice assistant like Siri, then you just want to tap it 3 times just like this. 1, 2, 3. Alright. So before I charge up the product to show you guys how to actually charge it, let me actually do a quick test of the microphone on here and see how it sounds like first. Alright, so we got a recorder right here, let's try it out. So basically what you guys are hearing from right now is the microphone coming from the headphone or earbud itself. Let's see what it sounds like. Alright, so after listening to the audio or the microphone test itself, you guys can hear the audio is really clear. There's no like statics or any kind of like unwanted noise. It's just literally the clear vocal or clear audio coming out of the microphone itself. So it's definitely really good. But now let me actually do a quick charging test to show you guys how to actually charge up the product quick, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got a portable charger right here, and we have the headphone or wireless earbuds right here. So let's plug it in to see when it actually charges. Alright, so we have it in. You guys can see the indicator light right here to show you guys that it's charging. And I believe once it's fully charged, it likes you to turn off or turn to a different color. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick charging test. You guys can see that actually does work. Really easy and simple to use if you guys saw from the test itself. So now that we charged the product itself, let's talk about the battery life on the product itself. How long does it last? You can get a maximum of 5 hours of usage on the earbuds itself if you guys fully charge it. And then obviously you guys will get that full 5 hours if you guys can use it correctly at the lowest volume setting. If you guys use it at a higher volume setting, most likely you will not get that 5 hours of usage. Maybe a little bit less than that. And then if you guys fully charge the case itself, you guys get a total of 20 hours maximum on the product itself. Also, if you guys use it correctly in terms of the volume setting and whatnot. So if you guys add that together, you guys can get a total of 25 hour maximum of usage on both the case and the actual headphone itself. And if you guys want to know how long does it take to fully charge the product itself, you guys can fully charge the product in less than an hour and a half. And then obviously for this earbuds, they are waterproof or sweat proof in a certain way. And what I mean by a certain way is that if you guys use this in the rain or a few splashes of water, it's completely fine. But it's not waterproof to the point where it's fully submergible. So I don't recommend fully submerging your headphones just to do like a test or just for fun. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we do unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a affordable wireless earbuds that can perform well in terms of the audio. If you guys want more bass, then this is probably not the one for you guys. But it's definitely really cool how this actual earbuds itself has the ANC technology on here. But like I said earlier, it's not like a really strong ANC compared to like other big headphones like Bose and Sony. But then they do perform quite well comparing to like their own brand noise cancellation headphones from Cowin itself. But then obviously if those guys who don't want or don't need one or have used one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have